Hello and welcome. I'm Kate and this video is proudly brought to you by FX Empire. Today we're going to learn a great trick for trading the news. Now, as you know, asset prices are constantly moved by outside forces. These include world events like geopolitical events. For instance, when there are troubles in the Middle East, the oil prices will jump. Also, when a company releases its earnings reports, this will affect stock prices. Looking now at the economic calendar, there are many events and announcements happening throughout the day. They have varying importance on how they impact the assets. If we knew how today's events would impact a certain asset, we'd certainly be very happy traders. But sadly, we're not. However, we do have one trading edge. These events are scheduled, so we at least know when they are happening. Analysts release their expectations of how they believe the event numbers will turn out. Now, if the actual release is far different from what the market is expecting, this will create a large movement, which may take a while to fully develop. For us, that's a gateway to a trade. Now, with binary options, you don't need to predict how much the market will move by expiry, just in which direction. So once the news is released and the market moves, that's a great time for you to open a 30-second or 60-second trade. For Forex, open a position and close it shortly after. Make sure to close it after you've covered the cost of your spread. So, just sit back and wait for the news to be released and see how it affects the market. Giving a practical example now, find the US GDP announcement on the economic calendar. Also, open your platform looking at the Eurodollar or the Nasdaq, or in fact any asset that will be moved by the US GDP announcement. Wait to see which direction the trade goes in, and then place your trade. Bear in mind, this all happens in a matter of minutes, so stay on top of what the market is doing. That's your trick for trading the news. Happy trading!